some in her hand. We'll get some from Daddy. Good girl. We'll get more. We'll get more from Daddy. Where's Daddy? We'll get some more. Am I going to bring you more? Right, your bigger baby sister?
Here we are. Hey, Buck, look. It's wide open. That must be how the animals escaped.
Ah! Oh, there's more, Greg. Be careful.
It doesn't look like the latch is broken, so someone must have opened the gate. But who and why?
Can you get it?
Or we're told until we
Get it, get it, get it.
Let's see if he's in.
Don't bite her fingers.
There's no answer.
Oh, you got her finger, you got her finger. Let go. Got her finger.